Hi, my name is Christina Mendez, and today I'll be doing a presentation on interviewing skills for MPA 540 Public Personnel Management. So I will discuss the Welfare to Work program, phrases you should and shouldn't use, and then show a motivational interviewing video. So the Welfare to Work program was created so that case managers can assess the family's needs and provide guidance and resources. The purpose of the program is to help families achieve self-sufficiency because these families are going to be facing barriers such as homelessness, lack of income, illness, lack of childcare, and many other reasons or barriers that they're currently facing. And so it's the job of the employment case manager to provide resources, but to do so, to understand what the customer needs, and to be able to help them, to guide them, and to help them set goals for themselves. The case manager needs to understand what the customer is looking for. So essentially, through interviews, they need to be able to understand the customer and encourage them to reach their goals. So things that you would want to stay away from when you're interviewing a customer and helping them set their goals is stay away from phrases like you should, you can't, I wouldn't, and try phrases like it may be helpful to, have you thought of this, perhaps we can. These phrases are going to help ease the conversation in a positive direction instead of making the customer close off to the case manager and feel as if you're telling them what to do. You want to guide the customer to reach their goals. And so I have a video that we can watch on motivational interviewing, and this is going to kind of help show what the relationship with the customer should be so that you can actually motivate them.
Fundamentally, motivational interviewing involves a change in role, a change in how you think about what you're doing. You're not the expert there to fix the person. You don't have to make the person change. The truth is, in fact, that you can't make a person change. You don't have to be the one to come up with all the good ideas. A person with really good ideas is sitting across from you and may have better ideas than you do. It's not like a competitive sport. It's not like wrestling where you try to defeat and pin and outsmart and outwit the person. It's more like dancing together, moving together, adjusting your movements to the other person. Overall, motivational interviewing is not a directive approach. Neither is it just a following approach. Following is listening to the person and kind of going wherever they go. Motivational interviewing is in the middle, between those two, and we describe it as guiding. If you go to another country and you hire a guide, you don't expect the guide just to follow you around. That's not what you're looking for. Neither do you expect the guide to order you when you will arrive, when you will leave, what you want to see, what you will enjoy, what you're going to do. That's not a good guide either. Good guiding involves good listening, as well as using your own expertise. A good guide will find out where you want to go, what you're interested in, what you're hoping for on this journey, and then help you get there using his or her own expertise, enjoyably, safely, efficiently, perhaps. That's the guide's job. Not solely directing, not solely following. There's some of each in it, but it's a blend of those things. This may or may not be the way you've been thinking about your own work, but we invite you to try it out.
So ultimately, the goal of the Welfare to Work program is to help the customer achieve their goals by encouraging them to take action and make their own decisions. So you want to help them help themselves. So I hope you learned a little bit about motivational interviewing, the Welfare to Work program, case manager role in the interview process, and how you can help the customer reach their goals by motivating them, guiding them, and helping them to understand what their goals are by simply using appropriate language and understanding the person, the customer, what their needs are, what their barriers are, and helping them to address those barriers so that they can help their families achieve self-sufficiency. So thank you for watching my presentation on interview skills.